Hi, my name is Joel Matthew, UR15 CS177, and today I'm going to be explaining one of my C++ lab programs. So the program is to create a class shape with functions to find area and display the name of the shape. And we have to also create derived classes circle, rectangle, and trapezoid, each with overridden functions, area and display. And in the main function, I have to main method, I have to create the relevant objects and display the area. So let's see the program. So I have here the header file stream and cmat and namespace std. So this is the base class shape. So I have declared the protected data types length, breadth, and area. And this is the default constructor, and this is the parameterized constructor. And here I have created the functions area and display as virtual. So these functions will be overridden by the functions of the derived class. And this is the destructor of the shape class. So this also I have made as virtual. Only base class destructor can be made virtual and not derived class destructor. And even constructor can't be made virtual. So and this is the derived class rectangle from the class shape. So here also we have the constructor for rectangle and a parameterized constructor, and we have the functions area, display, and destructor. Same is true for circle and trapezoid. So let's see the main function. So as you can see here, we create a object for the circle class and one for rectangle class and another one for trapezoid class. Each of these we pass parameters to invoke the parameterized constructors. So here we have a constructor of base. We have object of base class to which we are assigning the address of the derived classes. So here we have to do this. We have actually created a, array pointer, so which is shape. So using we access the area and display using for each of the derived classes using the um, for loop for each of the point arrays. So let's see how this program runs. So for shape I, which is 0 initially, and we access area and display, which is for circle. So the area and display function for the circle class is invoked, and at the same time, next we invoke functions for rectangle and then for trapezoid, and then later on we delete the shape pointer, and this invokes all the destructors. So let's see how the program runs. So as you can see, the area of the circle, rectangle, and trapezoid is displayed. So since we created the trapezoid object last, so the destructor of the trapezoid is first to be invoked, followed by the base class destructor, and then we have the derived class rectangle, which is second last to be invoked. So after which we have again base class, and then finally we have the first derived class which was invoked, which is circle, and then we have destructor for the base class again. Thank you for seeing my program.